Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Have you heard about GPT-01? It's not just changing the game for AI, it's creating genius robots that can strut down a Hollywood-level runway. So, what makes GPT-01 so special? Well, it's revolutionizing AI with groundbreaking capabilities. These genius robots can learn, adapt, and create, redefining what's possible in artificial intelligence. Today, AI tech is still finding its footing in creative fields like fashion and entertainment. We've seen some cool advancements, sure, but they're often limited to repetitive tasks or specific applications. The real challenge? Creating robots that think outside the box, understand human creativity, and bring their own flair to the table. Take fashion, for example. AI-generated designs can be impressive, but they often lack the personality and flair of a human designer. It's like the AI is mimicking rather than innovating. That's where GPT-01 comes in. It allows robots to learn from human creators and build upon their knowledge, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Scalability is another big hurdle. We've seen cool one-off demos, but integrating AI-powered robots into complex, fast-paced environments like a Hollywood runway show. That's a whole new level. GPT-01 is giving robots the ability to overcome these challenges. Imagine a runway show where GPT-01 robots work alongside human designers. They learn from humans, understand their vision, and add their unique twist to the designs. The result? A truly breathtaking show with robots and humans in perfect harmony. It's not just about the designs. It's about how these robots interact with humans. They understand subtle cues, respond to feedback, and work as part of a team. This level of integration is opening up new possibilities for AI. One standout demo? A GPT-01 robot designing a custom piece for a celebrity. The robot learned from the celebrity's past designs, understood their style, and created a bespoke piece that blew everyone away. This adaptability and customization is the essence of GPT-01. It's opening up new possibilities by giving robots the ability to learn from and interact with humans. GPT-01 is truly revolutionizing AI, and its impact goes far beyond robotics. It's empowering robots to think for themselves, understand human creativity, and adapt to complex environments. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of GPT-01. If you're hungry for more AI innovations, check out my next video, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take on the future of AI.